Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learn Smart Coding. This is Karthik. Thanks for joining with me today. In this video what I'm going to show you is understanding and applying how to use the ngSwitch directive. ngSwitch is one of the directive in Angular and many of us might have used this. It is a very useful one, and let me give an example of how this ngSwitch will play into picture. So if you see on my demo app, okay, the same thing. There are 4 appointments. If you have seen my previous video for hidden thing, it's the same thing. We have a list of appointments, and the list of appointment has been loaded here. Okay, what I'm going to do is, based on the timing here, okay, based on particular timing, this early start, normal start, late start, and evening slot. Okay, so all these 4 different things are going to be showed here based on the timing. So if it is 7 a.m. it will be early start, 9 a.m. normal start, 1 p.m. will be like basically a late start, and then evening is going to be an evening slot. Okay, so let's see how to apply this logic. Okay, so before we build the final logic, you see this right now there is nothing called start late, start early, late, or whatever it is, normal start, or any of those. So that is what we are going to apply. Okay, all right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring up an div tag. Okay, so this div tag basically has this 4 span element. One will be showing as early start, normal start, late start, evening slot, and this content is placed in every single appointment list that is loaded. So let's take a look at how this looks. You see this right now, all the 4 are loaded here, right? Irrespective of any time, everything is loaded here, but we wanted to pick up only one. We wanted to pick up only one from these 4 lists based on the timings, which is 7 a.m., 9 a.m., 1 p.m. or the 4 p.m. Okay, so it's very easy. What you do, we just need to apply the directive called ngSwitch. So it is very easy. We just need to apply the ngSwitch directive. So let's open up the directive symbol, which is the bracket, and then ngSwitch, SWITCH, and then provide an expression. So here the expression is item dot time slot. So time slot is the one which holds 7 a.m., 9 a.m., all those things. Now we have given an ngSwitch. Now what we have to do is we have to provide the case, like similarly how you provide the switch case, it is exactly same. So here it is a directive, so we have to use star ngSwitch switch case and then provide the value. Okay, so here my first thing is 7 a.m. okay, so if it is 7, it will display as early start. So similarly, let's copy paste this and then change the timing. So one is 7 a.m., one is 9 a.m., one is like 13, and the other one is kind of a default. So let's remove this and apply a default. Okay, so the last one is a default case, so let's apply the default one. So let's save this, let's open up the demo. All right, you see this started coming. Okay, so just it started coming down and the timing is here. Okay, so based on the timing here, the ngSwitch case took only one of the 4. So though you have 4, only one was taken. So what we can do is just to beautify this, let's cut this, and you can even keep this inside the ngSwitch. Okay, just to let you know, you don't need to have only the ngSwitch cases, you can still have some other the HTML. So let's take a look at the demo. All right, now these 2 are together, looks good. All right, thank you guys, thanks for watching this, and I'll see you in the next video soon. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like it, share it, comment it, and never forget to click on the bell icon.